Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process of unlocking or removing the screen lock on your Samsung A53 by performing a hard reset. Remember that this process will erase everything on your phone's memory, and in some cases, you'll need to connect the USB cable to your laptop. You don't need to download any programs or files, okay? So you need to follow the timing exactly as it restarts and handle the buttons as we guide you, alright? On this screen, we're going to press the volume down and the power button. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up, okay? Let's wait for the right timing. Let's wait a few more seconds. Some devices take a bit longer, others less. Just repeat the same process, it can't go wrong. Release the volume down, press the volume up, release the power button. Since I took a little longer, it might not enter recovery mode, so just repeat the procedure if it doesn't work the first time, okay? I'll keep holding the buttons to see if the device enters recovery mode successfully, so let's be patient and wait. If it restarts, we'll just repeat the process. It seems like it's about to reboot. It didn't work this time, so let's try again. On this screen here, folks, before we continue, I want to remind you that this procedure also works for some other Samsung models, okay? Now press the minus button. Go to the fifth option. It says IP data factory reset. Confirm with the power button. Use the minus button to go down. Then confirm with the power button. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can also do this remotely. I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the video description, so if you need help, you can contact me directly, okay? When we get to this screen, we don't change anything. We just confirm with the power button. If you're interested in learning how to unlock any device, I'll put a link in the video description. Feel free to check it out to see the process. You can do this from anywhere, and often you will not even need a computer. It's a great investment. You can do it for yourself and also make good money with it. If this video was helpful and you're able to, please consider supporting our channel. You can find our PIX in the video description. That's all for today. Thanks, and take care.